Good morning mga ka-friendship. Look naman at the bunga. Di ba ang ganda-ganda? Tapos meron pa siyang ibang bunga which is parang medyo konting may deformity. Pero okay lang naman. And then yung iba, wala pa siyang bunga. Pero meron pa rin iba dito na meron. And then I shall look at the back. Makikita nyo, oh, there is, ayun, may mga mushroom na nagsisibulan. And there are some na merong pinheads na. 'Di ba? So, meron siyang pinhead. Tapos ito, talagang very cute. Parang I'm just so happy kasi imagine mo, 'di ba? That's why I'm so excited and so delighted. Very delighted na kahit pa paano nagbubunga yung mushroom. And then yesterday, I was very happy kasi sabi ni Daddy, Joyce, magdadagdag tayo ng mga 50 fruiting bags. So, naisip ko, wow, parang from 100 magiging 50 and hopefully dumami pa. You know what? I was so impressed by the creation of God. You just imagine, yung mushroom kasi is a fungi. So, it actually thrives in an environment wherein it should be dark. Pero dapat 12 hours ng dark and then 12 hours parang may sunlight. So, kita mo pa yung portion no, na wala pa. O, you see? Oh, wala pa to. So, ang masasabi ko lang, we'll keep on praying na magkakaroon pa ng maraming mushroom. So, that's all for today. Please subscribe, like, comment, and follow for more.